everyone, today we are diving into a big update from USCIS that's going to make life a little easier for permanent residents waiting on their green card renewals. So what's changed? On September 10, USCIS made a pretty impactful announcement that if you are renewing your green card, the automatic extension period is now 36 months, not 24. This update specifically applies if you have filed the Form I-90 to replace or renew your green card. Let's break it down into simpler terms. So the big update is that if you have recently filed Form I-90, which is the application to renew or replace your permanent resident card, then you will now automatically get a 36-month extension on your card's validity. Before this, the automatic extension was only 24 months, so this change gives you an extra year of peace of mind. USCIS will send your Form I-797 Notice of Action as proof of this extension. Now, if you have already filed but only received the original 24-month extension, then don't worry, because USCIS will be sending out amended notices for pending applications, granting you the 36-month extension without any additional paperwork on your part. Now, what about employment and Form I-9? So, for those of you starting new jobs or updating your employment records, here's some key information. Number 1. Presenting an expiring or expired green card. You can still use your green card alongside the new I-797 receipt notice as proof of employment eligibility. For your employer, this serves as a document that confirms your authorization to work for 36 months from the original expiration date on your green card. This means that your green card and the I-797 notice combined are valid for employment verification on the Form I-9. Number 2. For employers. If you are an employer, then there's a new rule that you will want to remember. You don't need to re-verify employees who use this document combination when they initially completed their Form I-9 with a 24-month extension. USCIS has made it clear that once verified, employers don't need any another round of verification just because the extension changed from 24 to 36 months. So guys, these were the important updates that you need to know. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.